Good day, everyone. Um, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, my name is Gabriel. Yeah. So, anyway, before I begin, how has life been without MMS? It's tough, right? Very tough. Life has been very tough without MMS. Charlie, if you are that type like me, that cannot spend 1 minute without being online, like Charlie, you realize it's tough. Anyway, um, I've been able to. There is a way I have been able to reduce my cost of buying data, and I wish to share. So, you follow me as we go through, okay? But if you are already abreast with it, it's fine. But if you are not abreast with it, you follow and then watch the video till the end. Alright, so what we are going to do is we are going to use mashup, MTN mashup. I'm sure most of you are aware of the mashup. Probably you've been using it, but you don't know how to do whatever I'm going to ask you to do right now. So you can also follow and then help yourself. Alright, so what we will do is that for whatever amount of mashup you do, or whatever amount of mashup you purchase, they reward you 50 megabyte for only WhatsApp. For whatever amount you buy, they reward you 50 megabyte for WhatsApp. Yes, so what we will do is that we will convert that 50 meg to a form that we can use for our streaming, our browsing, our downloading and other stuffs with the help of our VPNs. Okay. So what will happen is that when we are done purchasing the mashup, I would drop the files, the mashup files we will use for our VPNs. I will drop them in the group, and then you can have access to them, and then you configure them with your VPN. Okay. Yeah, so what will happen is that you buy a mashup of 0.07. That is 0.07 pesos. Remember, whatever amount you buy, you get 50 megabytes for WhatsApp. And so the price ranges from as low as 0.07 to whatever amount you want to buy. So we will buy the minimum. Okay, we will buy the minimum, which is the least amount of mashup, 0.07, and then we would get a bonus or the reward of 50 megabytes for WhatsApp. Okay, and so imagine spending just 0.07 pesos to get a bundle of 50 megabytes. Okay, so we would accumulate it, meaning you are going to do it over and over again. So if you spend 0.07 and you get 50, so what happens when you spend, let me say 70 pesos? You realize you are getting about 500 megabytes, which is relatively cheap. Okay, yeah, so let's get started and then see how we will be able to help ourselves with this strategy. So let's get started. Alright, I think we can go and buy our mashup now. However, the only help or appreciation you can also show me is to help my channel to grow. So if you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button and then on the like button. If you have any comments, drop it in the comment section, or any question, drop it in the comment section. Also, when you find this video appropriate, share it to your friends and then maybe your relatives. Yes, so let's get started. So this is how we will buy the mashup. The code is *567. Sorry, *567 hash. Okay, then you send. Alright, so before we begin, let me show you something. I have actually accumulated some bundle already, but for the sake of this video, I will do additional one. Okay, so let's check how much I have right now before I begin to accumulate it. So let me see. *567 hash. So that's how you check how much bundle, SMS, whatever you have with the mashup. So you hit 99, that's more, and then 6, you check balance. Alright, so you can see I have, for WhatsApp, I have 1058. That is 1 gig and something. Okay, yeah. So keep the figure 1058, and then as we begin, you realize the increment. Alright, so *567 hash, then you send. I'm actually buying from a different SIM. I will use a different SIM to buy it. I'm using SIM 1, so I will buy from SIM 1 to my SIM 2. So I will choose SIM 1. So welcome to MTN Pause. Please select an option. So number 1, mashup for yourself. Mashup for self. So it means when I'm buying it using SIM 1, I'm supposed to choose 1. But then I'm doing it on a different SIM, so I will choose mashup for others. So choose number 2 for me, and then I will enter the number on which I'm sending the mashup to. So 0547338786. Alright, so to reduce my time, I would copy it and then paste. You actually enter the number 2 times, you confirm. Yeah, so mashup offers: 1, you have 1 cedi, 2, 5 cedis, 3, 10 cedis, 30 cedis. So mashup, so we choose 1. Yeah, so you have the offers here. Mashup offers: 1 is 1 cedi, 2, 5 cedis, yeah, blah blah blah. So we actually choose 1 cedi, and then you see with the 1 cedi there is another option at the down, number 2, enter amount. So this is where we are going to enter whatever amount we prefer, and then you see that it ranges from 0.07. so we are going to, that's what we are going to buy. So you choose 2, and then you enter the amount. Enter amount to buy your preferred bundle. So 0.07. Alright, so you select preferred option. There are options here. I prefer number 4, so I choose number 4, then I send. So choose payment mode, airtime. Alright, so congrats, you have purchased the mashup of 0.07 Ghana cedis, okay, to be used for all networks plus free WhatsApp. Have you seen it? So now let's go and then check how much I have right now. So remember, when you are checking, after dialing the *567 hash, you hit 99 for more, and then you select 6, check balance. Yeah, I'm sure you can realize the increment here. It was 1058 before I began, and it's now 1105. So there is an increment. Yeah, so that is what we are going to do. You will do it as many times you can. It depends on how much bundle you need for whatever you want, and then it is something you can do whenever, wherever. So I want to do more. Okay, so *567 hash, then I choose my SIM, then mash up for others. Remember, if you are doing on your, if I'm doing it on SIM 1, I'm supposed to choose mash up for self. Yeah, so number 2, because I'm doing it on a different SIM, paste my number, paste it, choose 1 mash up offers 1 CD, and then there is another option below, enter amount. So you enter your preferred amount, which is 0.07, then you hit on send. Then I will choose 4, then airtime. So congrats, you have purchased the mashup of 0.07 again. Have you seen it? So we can go back and check again. There will be an increment. $99 and then 6. Yeah, so now it's 1158. Meanwhile, before I began, it was 1058, 1058 megabytes. So I have done the mashup for how many times? Just 2 times, and you can realize the 100 megabyte increment. Yeah, so you can continue doing it. Okay, yeah, so now to make the video very short, let's look at how we would be able to make use of this bundle for. Remember, they said it's for only WhatsApp, but we will be able to use it to stream, to watch YouTube videos, do downloading and whatever. Let's see how we can actually make proper use of the accumulated mashup we just purchased. So what we will do is that we will launch or open the MTN app. So mine is right here. I will click on it, and then you wait a bit. Alright, yeah, it says attention, this app is only for professional users. Yes, and thank God we are all professional users. So click on OK. Alright, so now we are going to do the configuration first. Don't hit on the start. So now look at this icon or symbol here. You click on it, and then you click on import, and then you allow. Okay, so now you are going to open the folder in which you have the files, okay, the TNL files. So now mine is actually in the download folder, so I will click on it and then I will select whichever file I want to use. So I will click on this and then yeah, configuration was successfully imported. You see that? So now you can click on your start, click on start, and then let's see what will happen now. Yeah, so so now we can make proper use of our accumulated mashup. Alright guys, thank you so much for being part of this. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then on the like button, and don't forget, if you leave the group you will miss a lot, so be in the group. When there is any update, I'm sure I will drop it and then we will see the way forward. Thank you so much. Bye bye.